Hi, hello, good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about electric potential. So, electric potential. Electric potential means, so it is noted by letter V that equal to the external work done by unit positive test charge is called electric potential. Unit positive test charge is Q naught, denoted by Q naught. Positive test charge, not negative charge. So, electric potential is the work done per unit positive test charge is electric potential. So, its SI unit is simply volt, or according to equation, work done means joule divided by Q naught. Q naught means charge. Charge SI unit is coulomb. Joule per coulomb. It is the electric potential SI units. Right. Next, dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Work done means what? Force into displacement. Force dimensional formula ml t power minus 2 into displacement. Displacement means S. So S displacement dimension formula L. So ml square t power minus 2. At the same time, denominator charge. Charge means what? So I current is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to I into T. Cross multiplication. I means current, T means time. So now current dimension formula I only. So time dimension formula T. So now finally M L square T power, here 1 is there, convert into numerator, 10 power minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, I is there, I power minus 1. So current dimension formula in another letter also some cases we are used, that is capital A, ampere, A power minus 1. So it is a dimensional formula for electric potential. So another theoretical definition is there. So the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to, for example, it is plus charge, source charge. It is what charge? Source charge. So which produce electric field like this way. So here one unit positive test charge is there, which is at infinite distance. So we are bringing that unit positive test charge from the point to, that means infinite, to the point P at distance or from charge. So that is called as electric potential. So once again definition is the amount of work done in bringing unit positive test charge from infinity to that point, again is the direction of electric field, is called electric potential statement. So right, so this is definition. So now here we want to calculate electric potential due to a point charge. It is very important, 5 marks question. So clear. So this definition I will explain later. So to next question I will explain. So this one only observe, no? Do you understood? Okay, Nana, right. So next question is electric potential due to a point charge. Point charge. Observe, Nana, it is important. 5 marks question in electric potential chapter. Right, Nana. Now consider a source charge Q is produces electric field E. Now, so this charge, once you consider here point charge, point source charge Q. So which can be produce electric field, up to here we should consider E. So we need to calculate electric potential at point P here. From distance is R. From distance from the charge is R. Now here one positive test charge is there. Unit positive test charge. Unit positive test charge. Positive test charge denoted by Q naught, that equal to plus 1 coulomb. Like that only consider. Now here this test charge can bringing from this point where it is located at infinite distance. At infinite distance. So we want to move this point charge from infinite distance to point P. Again is the electric field is called electric potential statement. Right. So now here point A only consider. From charge to point A distance is x, we should consider. X distance at point A. Right. So now here total work done means we need to bringing this unit positive test charge from this infinite distance to point P. That is total work done. But here we did only small amount of work done to bringing this unit positive test charge from infinite to point B. So point B here. So from here to here there is no any force, opposition force is there. So why? Because here unit positive charge only, this one also positive charge, source charge is also positive, it is also positive test charge, both are repulsed with each other. So that's why up to here no opposition force is there, that's why zero work. But here at point A electric field is there. So when we are bringing this point charge from infinite to point A, work done will start. So work done will start. What work done? Again is the electric field. Again is the electric field. So it has certain electric field. Why? Because it is positive charge. Test charge. Test charge means very small, but very small charge contains small electric field. So that small electric field already it is greater charge, its magnitude is greater, it has more electric field. This electric field both are fight with each other. So that meaning is opposition force can be exist. So due to that opposition force, that is the definition of electric potential. There is no any external potential is there, there is no any opposition force is there, potential is zero. But here some electric field due to this charges exist here. So we are bringing from here to here, there is no any work done we did. So why? Because there is no any opposition force. But so this charge can be bringing from here to here. Now here opposition force will be started. So that's why will possible to move from A to B only possible. So why? Because opposition force is increases with decreasing distance from the charge. So that's why we did small work done, that is dx. Are you clear, ma? So x distance is what? Up to here electric field can be exist, that means electrostatic force will be exist on the test charge. So that's why this distance only we should consider. So after that this charge, point charge can be moved from A to B. So here work done is start. So that work done from here to here we did only small work done. For total work done already we have some integration process, we can easily solve by total work done. Right. Now observe here. Understood here diagram? It is source charge. So we need to bring that unit positive charge from infinite distance to r distance from the charge. But now here the consider point A from the charge is x distance. So according to definition, the unit positive test charge is bringing from infinite to point B against the electric field is the distance is dx. So now, so work done only will bring doing. So that work done means potential. So work done is what? So work done is nothing but potential only. There is no work done means zero potential. Work done formula W is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. So now force, what force is exist here? Coulomb force. What Coulomb force here? This charge and here 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of test charge is brought from there to here. This is one of the charge. Q1 or Q2 distance is x square. So that means force is what? 1 by Coulomb force formula. Already previous chapter, starting first chapter, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square general formula, q1 q2 by r square general formula into displacement. Displacement means where it is starts work done A to B. So why? Because opposition forces starts here only. So that's why here from here to here opposition opposite to the direction of electric field. So that's why it is minus dx. Displacement is small distance only we did. So we are doing total work done means A to here P. So A to P is generally, but here infinite to P is important. So now here, but here Q1 charge is Q charge. Clear, observe here na. First charge is Q. So that's why it is Q only consider. Q2 charge is this one, test charge. So which is bringing up to here. This is Q2. Q2 value how much? 1 coulomb. So that is 1. So what distance is there from here to here? X distance. So that's why it is x square. Clear na? Right. So now it is work done. But here what work done we did? Small work done. Why? Because here small displacement only we did. Small displacement means here small work done only we did. So dW is equal to this one. Understood? Right. So now again here minus move front. So dW is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square into dx. Understood na? Nothing I did. So here minus only moves front. That's it. Now it is small work done. For total work done, here 9 minus. So what is the meaning of minus? Minus indicates what? Minus indicates or negative sign indicates the charge can be moved from infinite to point B against the electric field. Against the electric field. That's why it is minus. Against. So that meaning is minus indicates opposite to the charge moves opposite to the electric field direction. Electric field direction. So minus indicates charge moves opposite to the electric field direction. Electric field direction, this one, charge is moves opposite direction, that is minus. Right. Next continuation. So for total work done we want. So total work done means how to calculate? By integration. By integration. So by integrating our equation for total work done only. For total work done to bring a charge from infinite to r distance So that is total work done. So that purpose, integrating above equation. Integrating above equation. So integrating above equation means this equation. So dw is equal to, noted Amma? Noted Amma? Okay. So right. Next one is, so integrating above equation means integral dw is equal to integration minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square into dx. So from where to where it can be brings infinite to r distance. So infinity to r. So now integration dw formula w. So minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, proportionality constant. Q is move front only, so Q also will come. So integration 1 by x square into dx. So infinity to r the limits. So now next one is w is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by x square. So integration 1 by x square is written as x power minus 2 only, right? Plus 2 denominator. This converting to numerator means it is minus 2 only will come. So infinity to r into dx. So already we know that formula. What formula? Integration x power n into dx. Formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is formula in integration, same as it is n replaced by minus 2. So w is equal to minus q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So here what? X power minus 2 plus 1, n replaced by minus 2, x power n same as x power n relation. So n value minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n value minus 2 plus 1. So limits is infinity to r. Are you clear? Right. So next one is w is equal to minus q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Next what? X power minus 2 plus 1 means x power minus 1 divided by minus 1. Infinity to r. Infinity to r. Here minus to minus cancel. Remaining w is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So what Nana? First x power minus 1 is there. X power minus 1. 1 is denominator. It is 1 to right. So x power minus 1 is written as 1 by x. So infinity to r. Right. Next. Right. So w is equal to, here what minus 1 is cancel, right? So q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So first upper limit we can substitute at the place of x. Upper limit means 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. Are you clear? Before substituting lower limit, we should keep minus. It is the rule in integration, substitution of limits. So w is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r. Q, move this side, q into 1 q divided by r minus 1 by infinity value what? 0. 1 by infinity value 0. So right, w is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So this is final equation. The work done is in the form of potential. So work done is equal to, according to definition, work done is equal to infinity to p point distance is total potential. So that's why it is V. V means what? Potential. So now V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Up to here, question answer. Understood? Very clear, Nana? Right. Here once again, up to from integration, I'll explain. Listen clearly. So total work done purpose, charge is bringing from infinity to point P distance. That's why already we did small work done. That equation is dW equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by x square into dx. Already is there. For total work done, what we did? So integrating above equation. Integration means symbol, integration symbol. The integration dw means w. Integration from where to where we can bring in. So infinity to r distance. Once you observe diagram, according to diagram, infinity to point P. Point P or distance is there. From charge is r distance. So that's why r. So right, 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by x square into dx. So minus moves outside from the integration and q is constant, 1 by 4 pi epsilon q constant, 1 by 4 pi epsilon constant to take it outside. So integration 1 by x square into dx only remaining. So denominator x power minus 2, in numerator it becomes to minus 2 into dx. Already we know formula, integration x power n into dx formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So according to this formula, here it is n. So that's why x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, infinity to r. So now w is equal to q by, minus is there already, minus q by 4 pi epsilon bracket. So x power minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 addition, subtract, minus 2 greater, it is less number, minus 2 plus 1 no minus 1, minus minus get cancelled, w equal to q by 4 pi epsilon, x power minus 1 is written as 1 by x, infinity to r limits. Now here minus minus cancel already did, right? Q by 4 pi epsilon, it is substitution of limits, 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. Before substituting lower limit, minus we should keep, that is condition. So first upper limit at the place of x, 1 by r, minus lower limit 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value 0 only. 1 by infinite value how much? 0. So that's 1 by infinity value 0. Remaining 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r minus 0, w equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r. According to statement, the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to that point is equivalent to potential. Potential definition. So that's why work done is equal to potential. So W is replaced by V. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R only. Clear? Right. Next, up to here only 5 marks on. Correct. Next one thing is important. Potential is a scalar quantity. So potential is scalar. At the same time, potential due to positive charge is positive. So potential due to negative charge is negative. That meaning is, for example, V plus Q value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q by R according to this final equation. So V minus Q due to potential V, potential due to negative charge is negative, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So that means minus here plus, here plus into plus only. So this is most important thing. So electric potential due to positive charge is positive, electric potential due to negative charge is negative. I hope you understood. Thank you.